Wow, this is my first time flying on an airplane. I'm so excited.
Sit properly, William. You have to behave. Understand?
Okay, Mum.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seat belt. And also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you.
Okay, William, we need to buckle up.
How do I use the seatbelt?
Let me help you.
We request that all mobile phones, pagers, radios and remote-controlled toys be turned off for the full duration of the flight, as these items might interfere with the navigational and communication equipment on this aircraft. We request that all other electronic devices be turned off until we fly above 10,000 feet. We will notify you when it is safe to use such devices.
Did you turn off your cell phone?
Yes, Mum, I did it before boarding.
May we remind you that this is a non-smoking flight? Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you.
Mum, can I play with my Game Boy?
Not yet. Didn't you hear that electronic devices should be turned off?
Oh, when can I play with it?
Not until we fly above 10,000 feet. The flight attendant will announce it later.
All right, but what can I do now?
You can watch a good movie or listen to music.
Oh, yeah. What movies do we have here?
Well, let's check the manual. And here's the remote control. You can put on the headphones to hear clearly.
Thank you, Mum.
All right, William, let's enjoy our flight.